Good morning. Whew. Early. This is how we do it on production. If you haven't worked on a production, pretty much get up at 5:30 is a nice late call today. We have to meet up at 6:30. So you get up, grab some coffee, and these cases I showed you last night, I've consolidated them. I charged all my batteries last night. Got everything ready to roll out the door and load the van, or today the truck. Look what we found. Day 3 Top Gear. Our intrepid sound guy John out here already working hard per usual. Yeah. We got real deal snow today. This is what you call fun conditions. All right, on our way to set. Woo! All right, we're at the track. I just went out and got some really cool footage of the raw track, FPV, POV like I did the other day, but this time in heavy snow. Fun stuff. All right, the heavy snow has stopped, which is nice. I'm grabbing a quick Cliff Bar while I can. Doing a lot of battery management. You see it's snowy, but the snow has stopped. I'm charging my ground station, charging batteries, keeping them warm. I got the Inspire ready to rock. Dax is gonna roll around this snow track. I'm gonna go up and do some, like a locked off satellite shot, and take the BangGod up, which is also sitting by the heater, currently keeping that battery warm. So what I do sometimes, because I already got a pass on the Inspire where I got a little bit of motion and got it looking good, so I'll just park it up, get a static satellite shot of him ripping around the course, which they really like anyway, and then I'll get some super kinetic shots with the BangGod FPV. Fun stuff. Here's what happens when you follow Dax over a jump like that. Caked. Oh man. Well, yesterday, it's early now. Yesterday was an incredibly fun day. Man, we battled some of the craziest snow I've ever seen, and I ended up getting some incredible track shots and collecting some. Well, I'll show you the photo, but the mud on this thing, there's you can see. Oh boy, it just keeps on ticking. It's amazing. This one's the casualty from the other day I gotta fix, but loading the vehicle one more time. Today, this is a move day, so I gotta put that big case on the truck and then take everything else with. Put my luggage on the truck. Guitar. I don't know if I'll put that on the truck. We'll see. Alright. Alright, another morning. 6 a.m. Got up at 5:30. Packing up for a snowy ranch with snowmobiles. This is going to be fun. Another crazy day. We are in Park City, Utah, and we're headed up to some cool ranch where we're gonna have snowmobiles and really be out in it, and it looks like we're not gonna be lacking for snow.
What are the yellow ones again? Your hand. hand warmers.
Both of them are?
Yep. Well, the one's a thumb warmer, but just
I got you.
they just warm these for your hands. There is a reverse. It's a gray button under the hand warmers. You just hold it. The engine will kill and restart. You all kinds of flashing lights on the dash. Just let it off, hit the throttle, and it's the same procedure to get it back into forward. Or you can just kill it, and then automatically.
So you can see where I'm posted here for this shot. Basically, I had my own snowmobile, and my instructions were go up this road here, and at some point the snowmobile is going to come by, get some good shots. So I'm posted up out there. The snow was so deep, it was basically waist deep if you stepped 6 inches off of that trail. It was a snowcat trail. And actually the first thing I did when I got there is I was standing there getting my stuff.